In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for construction management. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized workspace built from a proven template and ready for your projects. Start by opening your ClickUp account or logging into your existing workspace. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar for the plus icon. This is where you create a new space, which is the top-level container for everything related to a department or program. Click the plus icon, choose to create a space, and enter construction management as the name. Using a clear, consistent name keeps all your jobs, sites, and schedules in one place and easy to find later. Next, select Use Template. ClickUp includes ready-made setups designed to save you time and standardize your workflow. In the template library, search for Construction Project, select it, and click Use Template. When you're prompted, enter the name you want for this setup. Keep it simple and descriptive so you and your team instantly know what lives here. Then, confirm by clicking Use Template again to apply it to your new space. After the template is added, you can customize everything to match how your team actually works. Start with statuses, adjust them to reflect your real phases, such as pre-construction, in progress, inspections, punch list, and complete. Open the folders and list the template provides and rename them to mirror your scopes of work, like site work, structural, MEP, and finishes. Keeping labels aligned with your terminology helps everyone navigate quickly. Dive into tasks and review the fields that matter most. Set clear due dates and priorities, and make sure assignees are correct so ownership is obvious. If the template includes custom fields for items like cost codes, RFIs, submittals, or change orders, tailor those fields so they match the way you track and report. This makes roll-ups and dashboards far more accurate. Organize your views to support daily operations and planning. Use List for day-to-day execution, Board for trade handoffs, Calendar for deadlines, and Gantt for schedules and dependencies. Reorder or hide views so the most important ones are front and center. Small tweaks like consistent naming and color-coded statuses go a long way toward clarity. Give ClickUp a moment to build out the structure. When it's done, your construction management space will be ready with folders, lists, and example tasks. From here, continue refining, remove any sample items you don't need, and you'll have a focused, streamlined workspace tailored to your construction workflow.